Let's do a quick review of adding and subtracting because they're the same process, adding and subtracting fractions. So when I add and subtract fractions, my denominators need to be the same because we're trying to combine things together. And when we combine things together, we need them to be of the same type. Our denominator tells us essentially what is the size of the piece that we're working on. And we need those pieces to be the same size or we can't um, add them. Okay, so I've got 5/6 and 7/9. I want to get a common denominator. So I want to pick, if I can, the smallest number that they both go into because it will make my life easier. So 6 and 9 both go into 18. Okay, and then I'm going to take 5/6 and get an equivalent fraction that has a denominator of 18. So I figure out what does 6 multiply by to get 18, which is 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do the top, right? Because really what I'm doing here is multiplying by 3 over, not 1, 3 over 3, which is 1, right? And when I multiply 1, nothing changes. So that's why this works. And that gets me 15/18. So that's over here. And I'm going to do the same thing for 7/9. So I'm looking for some form of 1 to get me something over 18. I know that 9 times 2 is 18. So my form of 1 is going to be 2 over 2 to give me 14/18. And then I add my numerators because I'm looking for how many 18ths do I have? I have 29/18. And you may leave your fractions as improper fractions. That is fine. Actually, lots of times in algebra, it is much more helpful to leave them as improper fractions. So do not feel like you need to change it to a mixed number. This is a lovely answer.